Good morning, girls. Today, 10th class Mathematics Polynomial by M. Bhaskar Rao. Me master M. Bhaskar Rao. Okay. This is 10th class textbook, a new textbook for you. And next one, ఈరోజు మనం పాలినామియల్స్ థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ మనం నేర్చుకుంటాం. నిన్నటి క్లాస్లో మీరందరూ పాలినామియల్స్ సంబంధించి నోట్స్లన్నీ డెఫినేషన్లు అన్నీ నేర్చుకున్నారు. అందులో ముఖ్యంగా వేరియబుల్స్, కాన్స్టెంట్ and term, algebraical expressions and polynomial and constant polynomial and linear and also quadratic and cubic and biquadratic, and also you know about degree of the polynomial. So today we discuss, our topic is 3.1 first chapter. In this first chapter, first question, yeah, first question is, if p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. What is this? 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. Here, that is the polynomial. Here given three questions. One is coefficient of x power 5, degree of p of x, and constant. So first question, coefficient of x power 5. So x power 5 term is this one, minus 6 x power 5. But coefficient of x power 5 means that is minus 6. Okay. Next, second one, degree of p of x. This is a polynomial, the degree. So this one have powers 7, 5, x, that means 1, a constant is 0. These are the powers of that terms. So which is highest? 7. 7 is the highest power. Hence the degree of the polynomial is 7. The degree of the polynomial is 7. Now third question is constant term. We know about constant term, that is only numerical. A numerical term is called constant. Here 6 is numerical, 6 is numerical, then minus 6 is constant term. Okay girls, understand? Now second question, what is given? Write 3 more polynomials and create 3 questions For each of them, state which of the following statements are true and which are false. Give reason, give for your choice. Here 5 questions are given. State which are true and which are false. So to study the first question, we study that first question. Yes, let we study first question. Yes, what is given in that first question? The degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Here squares are, here roots are 2, 1 and constant term is 0. So degree of polynomial is 2, but he given root 2 is wrong answer. So degree of polynomial is only for 2. Next question. The quotient of x square in the polynomial. Quotient of x square. So 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7. So is 2. Answer is given is 2. So the quotient of x square, this one. What is that? Minus 4x square. X square is variable. That multiple minus 4. So minus 4 is quotient. But here given is 2. So it is wrong answer. This is also wrong answer. So what is correct answer? Minus 4. Here what is correct answer? Only for 2. Now the degree of constant term is 0. The degree of constant term is 0. No, yes it is. Why? Because that the constant term means x power 0 5. 5 to write in the form of x power 0 into 5. So here power of x is equal 0. So constant term degree is always 0. Okay. Now fourth question. What is fourth question? 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is quadratic polynomial. X square minus 5x plus 6 is quadratic polynomial. No doubt of it. But here given reciprocal. Hence it is not polynomial. Not polynomial. Okay. Now fifth one. The degree of polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it. Yes, to compare. So yesterday we know about the degree is 0, that is constant function. The degree is 1 and that is ax plus b. Now degree is 2, ax square plus bx plus c. To compare these three, so if degree is 1 and more than 1 its terms, so it is right, no doubt. So the degree of polynomial is 1 more than the number in it. Yes, it is right. True statement. That is true. And above, yes, to compare, this one is false, this one is false, this one is true, and this one is also is quadratic polynomial. No, it is false. And fifth one, the degree of polynomial, one more, it is also yes, true. Yes. Now third question is given. It is a problem. That is P of t is equal to t cube minus 1, then find P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 0, P of 2, P of minus 2. So I solve only two problems, that is P of minus 1 and P of 2. Remaining problems do at home. Yes, first of all, what is given equation? P of t is equal to t cube minus 1 t cube s t cube minus 1. Here P of 1, P of minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So here 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, that is equal to whole minus. Minus minus 1, that is equal to minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Yes. Okay. Now here P of now P of 2, P of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube means 8. 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. So you can solve like this. Now fourth question, that is check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x cube x power 4 minus 16. So if it is 0 of the polynomial, the polynomial value is 0. If it is 0, the value of polynomial is 0. So let P of x is equal to x power 4 minus 16. Here x is equal to minus 2. Now P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole power 4 minus 16. So minus 2 whole power 4, 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So minus into minus, whole power 4 is equal to always plus. If it is even, it is plus. If it is odd, it is minus. So minus 16 plus 16 minus 16, that equal to is equal to 0. So P of x is equal to 0, P of minus 2 is equal to 0, hence minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. Now second one, what is given second one? That is 2. Here x is equal to 2. What is P of x is equal to x power 4 minus 16. So x replaced by 2. P of 2 is equal to 2 power 4 minus 16. that is equal to 16 minus 16, that is equal to 0. So P of 2 is equal to 0. 2 is 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Now the fifth question. What is given fifth question? 3 minus 2 are zeros of the polynomial P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. So very simple. Yes. Now P of x is equal to given, that is equal to x square minus x minus 6. So if 3 is a 0 of the polynomial, P of 3 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 3. P of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 3 minus 6, that is equal to 6 minus 9, that is equal to not equal to 0. Why? Because that is equal to minus 3 not equal to 0, minus 3 not equal to 0. So the 3 is not 0 of the polynomial of P of x. So like that. Yes, fifth problem is homework for you. Yes, this is the 3.1 exercise. Okay, children, you must follow 3.1 exercise. I think you are all understand these problems, and I am satisfied for your work. You are also submit these questions and answers immediate. Okay, I will maintain a book who are participate in that, and remaining candidate I will take action about. Okay, thank you.